Hello guys, we are here in the market and we are going to buy our shrimp, and then we are going to cook our fresh steamed shrimp. So stay tuned with me guys until I finish this video and I tell you how to make this recipe. Going to prepare our shrimp. Actually, this is a very fresh shrimp. We are going to cut this part of the shrimp, and later on we are going to cut the back of the shrimp. But first, we need to remove and cut all this part of the shrimp, and then after that, we are going to cut the skin of the shrimp. Just cut it, but don't remove it, the skin. Just cut it like this, because we are going to steam this one. Just cut the back, and then divide it into two. Thank you all guys for watching my video. Thank you to those who supporting my channel, and shout out to Team Loyal and Team Tapat, and thank you so much for tuning in to my video right now. And to those not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like my video. Now I will already cut all, and then clean it and take off all the brain of the shrimp, just like this. Remove the brain and then the intestine of the shrimp. This one is very easy recipe. Okay, now all done. Now we are going to cut our spring onion and garlic, and then after that put in a bowl, and then we need all these ingredients and seasoning, also oil. Now we are going to arrange our shrimp in a steaming plate. Just very easy. Just arrange it inside. Thank you all guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and don't skip my ads guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And then after we arrange all the shrimp inside, and then we are going to put our garnish, garlic and spring onion. Just put in the top of the shrimp. Yeah, very easy recipe. And then this is ready to steam, but first we are going to boil water first, and we are going to steam this one at least 3 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook, otherwise it will curl the skin of the shrimp. This one is perfect. Now we are going to make the sauce for the shrimp. Make hot the oil in a wok, and then get a little bit in a small bowl of light sauce, and then we are going to garnish this sauce in the top of the shrimp. I didn't put too much because my boss doesn't like too salty. And this one is ready to eat, ready to serve. Thank you all guys for watching my video. Please don't skip my ads. Until next time, bye.